Did you know a deadly virus is quietly learning to kill us all, and we're helping it practice? Right now, H5N1 bird flu is spreading through American dairy farms like wildfire. Over 1,000 herds across 19 states are already infected, but nobody seems to care. Farm workers milk sick cows with watery eyes and bloody udders, calling it just a bug. Meanwhile, families pour milk into their cereal bowls, completely unaware. The virus has already jumped to 71 humans since 2024, mostly farm workers getting mild symptoms. But here's the terrifying part. Cows are the perfect laboratory for this virus to learn human tricks. Every day, it spreads from mammal to mammal, something it never did before. Scientists are watching it mutate in real time, developing new deadly variants. The historical death rate for H5N1? 50% of infected humans die. If it gains person-to-person transmission, this could make recent pandemics look like practice runs. Yet people sip their morning coffee like nothing's wrong. The virus is still practicing, but time is running out. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos.